In our today's video, we are going to discuss about operators in C, arithmetic expressions, associativity, and precedence. An operator is simply a symbol that is used to perform operations. There are 8 types of operators: arithmetic operators, relational operators, shift operators, logical operators, bitwise operators, conditional operators, assignment operators, and misc operators. Plus adds two operands, minus subtracts second operand from the first one, star multiplies both operands, this one divides numerator by denominator, modulus operator finds the remainder when numerator is divided by the denominator. And the last two are increment and decrement operators, where increment operator increases the integer value by 1 and decrement operator decreases the integer value by 1. And you can see the examples here. Relational operators. Here we can see the relational operators. The very first one is double equal to. This one checks if two operands are equal or not. Here we can see that a is equal to 50 and b is equal to 100. A is not equal to b, so the condition is false. And the second operator checks if the values are not equal, then the condition becomes true. So A is not equal to B, so the condition is true. Greater than symbol checks A is greater than B or not. Less than symbol checks whether A is less than B or not. And the last, this one checks A is greater than or equal to B. And this one checks whether A is or less than or equal to B. If A is neither less than B nor equal to B, then the condition is false. Logical operators. Now we'll discuss about logical operators. Here you need to remember the condition for the given operator. Logical AND operator, it checks if both are non-zero, then the condition is true for logical AND operator. For the logical OR operator, if anyone is non-zero, then the condition is true. And the last one, logical NOT operator, it is used to reverse the logical state of its operand. If a condition is true, then logical NOT operator will make it false. Suppose A and B is false, and if we apply logical NOT operator, then the condition will become true. Right? Now we'll discuss about bitwise operators. The first one is binary AND operator, which copies a bit to the result if it exists in both operands. The second one is binary OR operator, whose condition is similar to logical OR operator. The third one is binary XOR operator. Its condition is only one is true and other must be false. The next one is binary ones complement operator, which has the effect of flipping bits. Means it flips 0 to 1 and 1 to 0. Remember this point: in binary format, 0 is false and 1 is true. I repeat, 0
The
is
last two
false
are
and 1
shift
is
operators.
true.
Using left shift operator, the left operand's value is moved left by the number of bits specified by the right operand. Using binary right shift operator, the right operand's value is moved right by the number of bits specified by the right operand. Now I'll tell you how to convert decimal number into binary. Let us convert 60 into binary format. Firstly, divide 60 by 2. The quotient will be 30 and the remainder will be 0. Then divide 30 by 2. The quotient will be 15 and the remainder will be 0. Then divide 15 by 2. The quotient will be 7 and the remainder will be 1. Then divide 7 by 2. The quotient will be 3 and the remainder will be 1. Then divide 3 by 2. The quotient will be 1 and the remainder will be 1. Then divide 1 by 2. The quotient will be 0 and the remainder will be 1. The last remainder is known as most significant bit and the first one is known as least significant bit, and we take values from MSB to LSB. This is how we convert a given decimal into binary format. We can add n number of zeros before MSB depending on the memory locations.
Similarly, we can convert 13 into binary format. After finding these two, we can easily find this if we remember the conditions. This table is similar to the mathematical reasoning questions which you did in your 12th class. Just have a glance on it, you'll understand because you already know the conditions. The major difference between logical and bitwise operator is logical operator expects its operands to be boolean expressions, that is 1 or 0, and returns a boolean value, whereas bitwise operator work on integral values and return a integral value. Now we'll discuss about assignment operators. Is equal to assigns values from right to left operand. You just remember these points. Instead of writing C is equal to C plus A, we write C plus is equal to A. Instead of writing C is equal to C minus A, we write C minus is equal to A. Instead of writing C is equal to C star A, we write C star is equal to A. Instead of writing C is equal to C by A, we write C by equal to A. Instead of writing C is equal to C modulus A, we write C modulus is equal to A. Now we'll discuss about conditional operators. Conditional operators work on three operands, so they are also known as ternary operators. This is the syntax for conditional operators. This is similar to if else statement. If expression 1 is true, the resultant value is expression 2. If expression 1 is false, the resultant value is expression 3. That's it. Now we'll discuss about miscellaneous operators. Size of operator returns the size of a variable. Ampersand operator returns the address of a variable. Star is a pointer to a variable. And the last one is conditional expression. The set of operators and operands is known as arithmetic expression. It is difficult to evaluate arithmetic expression in absence of brackets. So we need operator precedence and associativity to evaluate in absence of brackets. Operators associativity is used when operators of same precedence appear in an expression. Look at this example: 100 divided by 10 star 10. If we don't know about operators associativity, we don't understand which operation to perform first. Since division operator is having higher associativity, we perform division first, then we perform multiplication. Now we'll discuss about operator precedence. Operator precedence determines how operators are passed conquering each other. Here you can see the precedence order table that is from high to low. Just have a glance on this table, and this is the continuation of the first table. Precedence is nothing but it is the priority for grouping different types of operators with their operands. Right. So and the associativity is given in the last column. Postfix has highest precedence and comma has lowest precedence.